This is a presentation on the 6 simple machines by Claire and Maria. Simple machines are very important to us in our daily life.
Our first simple machine is called a lever. A lever is a simple machine that pivots at a fixed point called a fulcrum. To calculate the mechanical advantage, you just divide the length of the effort arm by the length of the resistance arm.
There are 3 types of levers. The first type of lever is called a first-class lever. Some examples of them are scissors, a seesaw, and crowbar. It's a lever in which the fulcrum is between the input force and the load. They change the direction of the input force, which makes work easier.
This is a second-class lever. An example of a second-class lever is a door, wheelbarrow, and a bottle opener. A second-class lever is a lever in which the load is between the fulcrum and the effort. They make work easier by multiplying force.
The next type of lever is called a third-class lever. Some examples of them are a fishing pole, a rake, or a hockey stick. This is a lever in which the input force is between the fulcrum and the load. It makes work easier by multiplying distance.
Next is an inclined plane. Some examples include a ramp, a slide, and stairs. This simple machine is a straight slanted surface used to move loads. Its mechanical advantage is calculated by dividing the length of the incline by the height of the distance.
The next simple machine is called a pulley. Some examples of pulleys are an elevator, a flagpole, a clothesline, or window blinds. This is a simple machine that has a grooved wheel, which holds a rope or a cable, and the load is attached to the end of the rope, while the input force or the effort is on the other end. The mechanical advantage is just counting the number of load-bearing sections of rope that support the object being lifted.
There are 3 types of pulleys. A fixed pulley is when a pulley does not move and makes work easier by changing the direction. Movable pulleys move with the load. They make the work easier by multiplying force. And then a block and tackle is a combo of the 2.
Another simple machine is called a wheel and axle. Some of these include a doorknob, car wheels, screwdriver, and engine gears. Like you've suspected, this is a simple machine that has 2 circular objects of different sizes working together. The wheel is the larger. The wheel and axle makes work easier by multiplying force, and the mechanical advantage is the radius of the wheel divided by the radius of the axle.
Another simple machine is a wedge. An example includes an axe, a doorstop, teeth, and a knife. A wedge is a simple machine that combines 2 inclined planes back to back. This multiplies force, and the mechanical advantage is the length of the wedge over the thickness of the wedge.
Our final simple machine is called a screw. Some examples of screws are bolts, faucets, jar lids, and a light bulb. They're commonly found in closing lids or screwing things together. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. The screw makes work easier by multiplying force, and the mechanical advantage can be found by dividing the number of threads by the distance between the threads.
Thanks for watching. Without simple machines, we couldn't write, drive, have homes, make things, or advance as we have today. That is the importance of simple machines.